Amazing Kazakhstan.
It's a pity that people don't know that Kazakhstan is so cool.
It's energizing. It cleanses.
It was these canyons that survived the Ice Age.
Hello everybody. We are located in Kazakhstan, and this place is compared to Switzerland. Nearby there is an incredibly beautiful Kaindy lake, with such trees coming out of the water. Tree trunks were preserved in cold water. Before you continue to watch this issue, support this video with a like, comment and subscription. It is these actions that YouTube considers positive and helps to promote my video. Thanks to you, most people can watch this video, learn useful information and enjoy all this beauty with you. A few hours earlier. The first stop and the first location is the Black Canyon. We don't stay at this place for a long time. This is usually about 10 to 15 minutes. I really like the emerald color of the water in the river. I wonder what the lakes will look like in winter now. I was very lucky today. I met a guide who loves her job and her name is Yurkazan.
The Black Canyon is the beginning of the Charon Canyon, which stretches along the Charon River for 154 kilometers. Charon Canyon is a natural monument composed of sedimentary rocks, the age of which is about 12 million years. It turns out that these canyons survived the Ice Age. It is called black because of the color of the stones, as they contain a chemical element called basalt. And joining with the water, it gives such a shade to the canyon.
We got to Kaindy Lake from the village in an old Soviet car. We drove 3 rivers, the car was shaking slightly, but everything is fine. It takes about 40 minutes to walk to the lake itself. We are offered to ride horses. The price in both directions is $10. There are 2 ways to get to the mountain lake. In the summer we walked along the gorge on the right side, now we are walking on the left. The trail is less slippery and you will be able to get there faster. But on the right side the views are more beautiful. This lake is located at an altitude of 1,667 meters above sea level, and its depth reaches 30 meters. Divers dive here sometimes to see the underwater frozen forest. The name of Kaindy from Kazakh to English translates as an abundance of birches. There is a huge birch grove 5 kilometers away from us. That's why it's called that. We got to the next lake very quickly and it is called Kolsai. It is located at an altitude of 1,818 meters above sea level. The depth in some places reaches 80 meters.
This boy? Yes, he's famous? How is he famous?
This mountain pearl of the northern Tian Shan is located on the border of Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan. Just 10 kilometers away is already another country. Here you can rent a boat or catamaran. $20 costs an hour. I decided to go on the left side due to the fact that there is a beautiful view of the mountain lake and snowy peaks. And there is also a convenient pier where you can make incredible shots. Just look at this color of water. It's transparent. And there you can see green moss on the rocks. Let's try to lower the camera into the icy water. Kolsai Lake is translated from Kazakh into English as a lake in a gorge. An incredibly beautiful place. See the raven flying over the water. How do you like Kolsai and Kaindy lakes?
I really liked it. Beautiful lakes. Kolsai liked it more. The views are gorgeous. We were lucky with the weather. It's just a fairy tale.
Amazing lake. Amazing Kazakhstan.
It's a pity that people don't know that Kazakhstan is so cool.
Travel. Visit beautiful places. Enjoy your life. It energizes, it cleanses. Any hike, any trip cleanses the head, thoughts, souls. So travel. And see you in the new video.